Today, we are unlocking what is basically a superpower for the modern age, mastering the art of the AI prompt. Let's jump right in.
Okay, let's be real. Have you ever felt like you're speaking a completely different language than the AI? You ask for something amazing, and what you get back is, well, bland, generic, and totally useless. It's super frustrating, but I've got good news. It's probably not you.
So here's the thing. It's not the AI's fault either. The problem is usually just in how we're asking. You can think of your prompts like a recipe. Right now, you might just be missing a few key ingredients, and the best part? It's a really simple fix.
You gotta stop thinking of AI as a mind reader. It's not. Instead, think of it as a world-class chef. This chef has all the skills, all the ingredients to cook up literally anything you can imagine. But it needs a clear, detailed recipe from you. And your prompt, that is the recipe. And that brings us to the secret sauce. We're about to break down a super simple 5-ingredient formula that's going to turn those weak prompts into powerful, effective commands.
And here they are: role, task, context, details, and format. That's it. Just 5 things. Think of these as the essential building blocks you're going to use to craft a perfect prompt every single time. Let's dig into each one. First up, role. This one is huge. This is where you tell the AI who to be. You're not talking to a generic machine anymore. You're transforming it into an expert with a very specific point of view. So for example, instead of just asking for ideas, try saying, "You are a seasoned marketing expert," or "act as a high school history teacher." Giving the AI a job to do instantly gets rid of all those vague, unhelpful answers. Next up, the task. This has to be a crystal clear command. You need to start with a strong action word, a verb, that tells the AI exactly what you want it to do. No room for guessing. Being specific is everything here. Talk about is kind of weak, right? But write a short video outline. Now that's a command. Don't say, "Look at this data." Say, "Analyze these survey results." The more precise you are, the better the result is going to be. I promise. Okay, ingredient number 3 is context. This is so important because the AI doesn't know your world. It has no idea who your audience is or what you're trying to achieve. You have to fill in that background info to get something that's actually useful. For instance, tell it who this is for. Are you writing a really professional LinkedIn post for experts in your field? Or are you making a fun, snappy video for total beginners? That one piece of context changes absolutely everything about the response you'll get. Next up, we have details and constraints. This is where you lay down the law. Think of it like putting up guardrails on a highway to keep the AI on the exact right path. How long should it be? What's the tone? And maybe even more important, what should it not do? Setting these boundaries gives you so much more control. Asking for it to be under 300 words, telling it to use a motivational tone, or saying, "Hey, no complex jargon." These little rules guide the AI to the exact result you're looking for. And our final ingredient, which is a total game changer for saving time, is format. Seriously, don't just let the AI dump a giant wall of text on you. You have to tell it exactly how you want that information structured. Do you want a neat table you can just drop into a presentation? A numbered list for a how-to guide? Or a professional email that's ready to send? Just ask for it. When you specify the format, the output is immediately usable. It saves so much editing. Okay, so we have all 5 of our ingredients. Now, let's put them all together and see how they create a powerful, ready-made template that you can use for pretty much anything. And there it is. This is your new secret weapon. All you have to do is fill in the blanks for each of those 5 ingredients we just covered. This simple sentence structure makes sure you never miss a crucial part of the recipe. And check it out in action. See how every single piece is there? The role, YouTube content expert; the task, write a script for a 60-second video; the context, for an audience of Arab beginners; the details, simple language, no jargon; and the format, output as ordered points. It's perfect. So now you have the formula for success. Let's really quickly cover a few common mistakes to avoid, because knowing what not to do is just as important. I mean, this slide says it all, right? On the left, a vague prompt, "Explain artificial intelligence." You're basically going to get a boring encyclopedia entry. But on the right, you have a powerful prompt using our formula, and that's going to give you something creative, targeted, and actually useful. And here are 2 other big ones to watch out for.
First, forgetting the format. You'll just get a messy block of text. And second, giving contradictory instructions, like telling it to be brief, but also to explain in detail. That's just going to confuse the AI. You got to keep your commands clear and consistent.
All right, to finish things off, let's go over a few pro tips that will help you really master this skill and take your prompting game to a whole new level.
Okay, 3 quick tips. First, talk to it like a person, not a search engine. Use natural language. Second, treat it like a conversation. If the first response isn't quite right, just tweak your prompt and ask again. Don't start from scratch. And finally, when you write a killer prompt that works perfectly, save it. Build yourself a personal library of templates.
So here's the bottom line. You have the recipe now. You have the 5 key ingredients to unlock the true power of AI and turn it into your own personal creative partner. The only question left is, what amazing things are you going to create?